This is my 90-day before and after using the Tria 4X at-home laser hair removal. Now, if you've ever wondered whether at-home laser hair removal actually works, I've been testing the Tria 4X laser hair removal device for the last 90 days to try and find out for us. Now, laser hair removal and IPL hair removal are completely different, so don't confuse them. This is true laser hair removal, which means it's much more precise and typically delivers a lot longer lasting results, but I'll explain the difference in a minute. In this video, I'm going to share my honest 3-month review, including my before and after results. Yes, I'm going to show you one leg that's been treated and one hairy leg, whether it's painful, how long treatments actually take, and whether it's really worth it. So if you're thinking about trying it, I do also have a discount code to save you some money that I'll pop right there. Full disclosure, because I'm always honest and transparent with you, this video does contain gifted items and is sponsored by Tria, but as always, all opinions are my own. Okay, and let me show you how to actually use this. You can use your Tria 4X laser at-home removal device in so many different areas. I've been using it on my armpits, bikini line and legs, but definitely read where you can and can't on their website, because there are some places you can't use this. Okay, you're going to want to make sure your Tria 4X is fully charged before you get started so it doesn't die in the middle of the treatment. You're going to want a clean, freshly shaved armpit, no deodorant or any products. What I really like about this is the safety feature. So when you turn it on, you have to unlock it by putting this laser on the area you want to treat to unlock the device, and then you know it's unlocked. If the skin tone isn't safe to treat, it will stay locked. So I think that's a really core feature. And it comes with a quick start guide, so you know exactly how many pulses to do in each area. The armpit is 100 per side. It says about 4 to 5 minutes. Now, when I first started with this, it took me a while. The more you use it, the quicker you get at it. And then once it's unlocked, you can see the power level it's on, which you can change through the on button. You can see how many pulse counts you've done and the battery level. I started around level 2 or 3. I'm now around level 4 or 5. The more treatments you do, the less hair you have, so the less painful it gets. If you're finding it too painful, they do have a gel you can use with the treatment, especially if you're treating more delicate areas like your bikini line. And can you hear that fan? That comes on to make sure you're not overheating. And there you can see the counter going on, so I know how many pulses I'm at. So this is my 7th armpit treatment. It's my 4th on my legs. But I started seeing results after about 2 sessions with this. It was so quick to see results, which is why I've stuck with doing all of the sessions. So Tria works by delivering targeted laser energy that penetrates the follicle for genuine lasting hair reduction, and they do have the clinical trials to back up their results. Okay, and that's all 100 pulses. We're going to switch sides. As soon as you're done with your treatment, all you do is press and hold that button until you hear it go off and see that go dark. That's it. And what I love is there's no downtime. I'm not red at all. You can put your deodorant on and go about your day. Now, the leg does take slightly longer, and the leg you would treat exactly the same way. Turn it on, put that laser on the skin you're going to be treating till it unlocks. Dun, dun, dun. Choose your power level. I'm going to use it on level 5, and I kind of start in the middle, work my way around, and then do the knee. And this is going to be 600 pulses on the lower leg, so it does take a lot longer, but this is permanent hair removal, anything to ditch the razors. And the reason I did one leg, the things I do for you guys to show you the before and afters, is I wanted to be able to show you the difference between having laser hair removal on one side and not doing the other side, to really be able to show you how it started and where we're at 4 treatments in. Now, sometimes the knee can be a bit tricky because of the bone. If that happens, I just tend to pull the skin until it beeps, because when it's on the bone like that, can you see it's not going? If I pull it, then it seems to work. So if you have any issues, that's a really quick and easy fix for those bony areas. Like I touched on in the intro, laser hair removal isn't the same as IPL. There is a huge difference in both precision and results. So laser hair removal is generally more effective than IPL, especially for long-term hair reduction, fewer sessions and more predictable results, versus IPL hair removal, which doesn't provide the same clinical grade permanent results. Now, virtually all devices sold for at-home use are actually IPL devices and not true lasers, even though they often use the term laser in their marketing. marketing, whereas Tria 4X is currently the only true laser at home hair removal device. And what makes it so effective is that Tria 4X uses clinical grade laser technology for permanent results at home, which is why I personally did all of my hair removal, armpits, bikini, and the one leg with the Tria 4X hair removal laser device. It's been way more convenient and less time consuming and cheaper than booking and having to go to a clinic. And then having seen my results so far, I can't imagine it being any more effective going to a clinic to have it done versus doing it at home with the Tria. And the other reason was I just wanted to give up shaving and look for a permanent hair removal solution. I've been shaving for over 30 years, and it's not that it's necessarily time consuming, but all of the other things that come along with it. Permanent hair removal means I don't have to travel with a razor. I don't have to deal with ingrown hairs. And then also when I was traveling with it and shaving, I felt like as soon as I was getting in salt water or chlorine, it was burning where I was freshly shaven. I also like to self-tan a lot in the spring and summer, and every time I shaved, it was taking off the self-tanner, so it didn't last as long. So it wasn't just necessarily a time thing, it was all the other conveniences that come along with permanent hair removal. We talked all about the benefits of permanent hair removal from your Tria at-home laser hair removal device. That was a mouthful. Another added benefit, and I actually was talking to another girl about it this morning who's also been using the Tria that we weren't expecting, is a difference in skin color after using that. And I mean that in a good way, not like a negative side effect. So all the areas we were treating, take the armpit, for example. Before, even when I was freshly shaved, it almost had like a grayish hue, if that makes sense. Not stubble because it was freshly shaved, but just a grayish hue or tinge or a 5 o'clock shadow. After using the Tria, it's a lot brighter, lighter, almost like the rest of my skin color. So I just thought that was a really nice added benefit I wasn't expecting. Probably most importantly, does Tria 4X laser hair removal device actually work? I'm 7 sessions in and I am so impressed with the results. I was actually tempted to stop after my 3rd session as I only had 4 hairs left under one armpit and 3 hairs on the other. But the recommendation is 3 months, using it once every 2 weeks, and then a maintenance phase for 3 months as needed. And that's just to prevent regrowth and really try and make the results permanent, and that's the phase I'm in. I'm going to see the treatments all the way through as I really want to try and ensure the longest lasting and most effective results possible. I've spent this much time using it. I really want to make sure it's done right. I'll do an updated YouTube shorts of my final results when I'm done, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. If you're curious about trying at-home laser hair removal, I've linked the Tria 4X in the description below, along with my discount code so you can save if you do decide to try it. If you're looking for more precise, long-lasting results, laser technology is clinically proven to perform better than IPL for hair removal, which is why the Tria 4X uses real laser technology rather than IPL. And if you found this video helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the process, the pain level, or the results after 90 days.